And at night, I can take this off and just sleep. I don't want to put too much heat. Not too much, not too much. Very, very disappointed.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain. Until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, low, low, low. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain. Until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, low, low, low. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, baby, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby. I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain. Until
have a little intermission because this side of my hair is so pretty. Like super, super, super pretty. Like, come on now. Like, I feel like I got a nice little sew-in. Like, it's so cute. But this side, I just could not get right. So, I just wanted to show y'all the curls that I put in my hair. It's not... I colored my hair black from orange ginger, so it's not as black as it should be. My roots are for sure black, but the hair, wow, my hair has grown so much. This is the hair that's grown in since I colored my hair. So this brown part is from what has been colored. So I'm probably about to curl it, show you guys, go to the store and get some pins so I can be able to pin curl my hair at night. Let me go ahead and try again on this side because I just can't seem to curl this side the way that I just slayed this side. So I curled this side. I'm gonna come back and show y'all how this V-part wig looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I want to play in the deep
curls and play with this, but I don't want to put too much heat. Not too much, not too much. I don't know if this is bright enough so y'all can see this hair, but baby, am I happy with this V-part wig. Like, so happy. I can do versatile styles and everything. Like, I'm so happy. I can't find my scissors, so I'm not happy with the quality of this camera today. Like, I'm really disappointed. Very, very disappointed. I can't find my scissors so I can layer this, because baby, once I layer this and put some more curls in here, like, it's really over with. Like, it's a done deal. I just took some bomb selfies, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You guys might be able to see them if I get this uploaded in time, but let me just show y'all real quick. Hold on. Get right, camera. Woo! Look at that girl. That girl. She is that girl. That's the GOAT. The real GOAT. The real GOAT. Come through, boomerang. Fucking GOAT. Gee, I'm the GOAT. Please go get this V-part wig. This wig is literally clipped on my hair, and at night I can take this off and just sleep. Like, it is not attached to my head. It's not, you know, it's not coming off either. Like, I really love this wig. Like, I did my baby hairs. This looks natural. This looks like a quick weave. This looks like a sew-in. This looks like tape-ins. All of the above. This is a V-part wig, ladies, and we need this. We definitely needed this so we can, you know, just move a little bit faster with our life. The install process isn't that bad. It's not harsh on your hair with any glue, any tape, any like tension or anything. Like, this wig, it doesn't even feel like a wig on my head. Like, I'm so excited, and I was so afraid. Like, I used to see U-part wigs. U-part wigs are definitely a thing. U-part is definitely a thing, but V-part, one, I didn't even need this much leave out, if we're being honest, but just because I wanted that natural look, I got a lot of leave out. So what I'm gonna try soon, because the V-part really can go right here. Like, it really was right here. All I did was spread it open to where my part was, but it's really supposed to be like right here, and it's supposed to just not be that much leave out, you know, because it's literally a full wig. It's really a frontal without the frontal. Like, you can close this up if you wanted to and literally have just a strand of hair coming out and it will blend. Like, that is so crazy to me. But just because I wanted that look, you know, I had so much leave out. But y'all, I'm so satisfied with this, and I just want to, you know, put in a little promotion to Unice hair, because I definitely had on their robe while I was, you know, doing this. But I'm so excited, and my camera's about to die again. So I just want to say thank you guys. This is a 26 body wave wig that I did straighten and curl, and I just feel like you guys need to go ahead and check the description box and go ahead and purchase this wig. I should have a coupon code below, and go ahead and follow my social media so you guys can see more about this wig. Okay, have a good one. Love y'all. Bye.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so fed in love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
I ain't even hit yet. I ain't asking to you. I like what you do.